This is the second part of the idioms starting with the alphabet E. So let's begin without any delay. Welcome to English Speaking Formula. And on a high note. And on a high note means finish successfully. अच्छे अंत के साथ समाप्त होना. इसको कहते हैं end on a high note. Finish successfully. For example, if the event ended on a high note means इवेंट जो है अच्छे अंत के साथ समाप्त हो गया. कॉर्पोरेट यूज द क्वार्टर एंडेड ऑन अ हाई नोट. द क्वार्टर एंडेड ऑन अ हाई नोट. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सक्यूज माय फ्रेंच मीन्स एपोलॉजी बिफोर रूड वर्ड्स. अशिष्ट भाषा के लिए क्षमा जब हम मांगते हैं तो क्या कहते हैं? एक्सक्यूज माय फ्रेंच. एक्सक्यूज माय फ्रेंच, दैट वाज ऑफुल. एग्जाम्पल, एक्सक्यूज माई फ्रेंच, दैट वॉज ऑफुल. फॉर्मल मीटिंग्स के लिए जो ये वर्ड है ये सुटेबल नहीं है तो नहीं यूज किया जाता. इट इज जस्ट फॉर द इनफॉर्मल यूज. एक्सक्यूज माई फ्रेंच. ओके, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज eyes bigger than. Next idiom is eyes bigger than one's stomach means want more than you can handle. Eyes bigger than one's stomach means want more than you can handle. जरूरत से ज्यादा चाहना, इसी को कहते हैं eyes bigger than one's stomach. Example, my eyes were bigger than my stomach. My eyes were bigger than my stomach. Corporate uses over expansion shows eyes bigger than stomach. Over expansion shows eyes bigger than stomach. Next word is as over. As over means slight advantage. As over means slight advantage. थोड़ी बढ़त, इसी को कहते हैं as over. Slight advantage, थोड़ी बढ़त. For example, experience gives her an as over others. Experience gives her an as over others. Corporate uses our technology gives us an as over rivals. Our technology gives us an as over rivals. Next idiom is eat one's head. That means be proved completely wrong. पूरी तरह गलत साबित होने को कहते हैं eat one's head. For example, if this fails, I will eat my head. If this fails, I will eat my head. कॉर्पोरेट यूज इसका फॉर्मली होता नहीं है, फॉर्मल यूज है नहीं. ईट वंस हेड नहीं यूज होता, तो आप सिर्फ इसे इनफॉर्मल यूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इडियम इज elbow room. What is elbow room? Enough space or freedom to move or work. That is called elbow room. Meaning काम करने की पर्याप्त जगह, इसी को कहते हैं elbow room. I need, for example, I need some elbow room to finish this task. I need some elbow room to finish this task. Corporate uses give the team elbow room to innovate. Give the team elbow room to innovate. Next idiom is even the score. What is the meaning of even the score? Meaning take revenge or make equal. Take revenge or make equal. बराबरी करना या बदला लेना, इसी को कहते हैं even the score. This is called even the score. Corporate uses strong performance evened the score with competitors. Example, he evened the score in the final match. He evened the score in the final match. Let's learn the next idiom, that is every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. It means every bad situation has something good. Every bad situation has something good. Means हर बुराई में कुछ अच्छाई होती है. Every cloud has a silver lining. Example, losing that job helped me grow. Every cloud has a silver lining. Corporate use. Market setbacks often bring new opportunities. Market Setbacks often bring new opportunities. Eyes on the prize. Eyes on the prize means stay focused on the goal. Stay focused on the goal. लक्ष्य पर ध्यान बनाए रखना. That is called eyes on the prize. For example, keep your eyes on the prize. Corporate uses our team keeps eyes on the prize, right? So, eyes on the prize means लक्ष्य पर ध्यान बनाए रखना. Stay focused on the goal. Stay focused on the goal. Next idiom is earn brownie points. What is the meaning of earn brownie points? Means gain extra praise or approval. Gain extra praise or approval. अतिरिक्त प्रशंसा पाना इसी को कहते हैं earn brownie points. Earn brownie points. For example, she earned brownie points with the boss. She earned brownie points with the boss. Corporate uses volunteering earns brownie points. Volunteering earns brownie points. Next is easy does it. Means go slowly and carefully. Go slowly and carefully. धीरे धीरे और सावधानी से. धीरे धीरे और सावधानी से. This is called easy does it. Example, easy does it, the glass is fragile. Easy does it, the glass is fragile. For corporate uses, easy does it while handling negotiations. Easy does it while handling negotiations.